Hello, and welcome to another unboxing video from the Racedom crew. Today, we are unboxing the Link ECU G4XM MonsoonX. The MonsoonX is a powerhouse in a compact shell. Equipped with a high-speed 150 MHz processor, it delivers lightning-fast responses and smoother engine performance. This specific model features a built-in 7-bar map sensor, making it capable of handling extreme boost levels right out of the box. With 512 megabytes of internal data logging, you can track every detail of your engine's performance with incredible precision. Whether you need launch control, anti-lag, or VVT control, the MonsoonX packs professional motorsport features into an affordable, waterproof package. Now, let's take a look at what's included inside the package. First, you get 2 official Link ECU stickers to show off your new setup. Next, we have the product registration QR code and password. For obvious reasons, we can't show these on camera, but you'll need them to activate and register your ECU. Next, we have the installer I/O table. This essential guide provides the pinout data and wiring information you'll need to correctly map your inputs and outputs during installation. Also included is a custom mounting bracket. This makes it easy to secure the ECU firmly in place, ensuring a clean and professional install in your vehicle. And here is the USB tuning cable. This is your direct link to the ECU, allowing you to connect your laptop and start mapping your engine with the Link G4 software. And last but not least, the most important part of the package, the Link G4X MonsoonX wire-in ECU. Don't let the size fool you. The MonsoonX is fully IP67 waterproof rated, making it durable enough for even the most demanding engine bay environments. It also features advanced electronic throttle control and 8 input channels, giving you the flexibility to run complex features like traction control and launch control on a budget. With its high-speed communications, this unit provides the perfect balance of power, reliability, and precision for any 4-cylinder build. One of the smartest features is its closed-loop mixture control. By using an advanced internal fuel model, the MonsoonX can automatically adjust your fueling in real time to maintain the perfect air-fuel ratio, ensuring your engine stays safe and powerful no matter the conditions. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings and technical deep dives from the Racedom crew.